tuna, rice, at saka nori sheet. Meron din akong crust seaweed dito, guys. Try natin. Ano pa? Try nyo, guys. Sarap. Mas masarap pag spicy yung tuna. Try, guys. Nori sheet. Tapos yung rice with tuna and crushed seaweed with mayo. Sarap siya, guys. Not the typical food na masasabi. Pagsawa ka na sa mga iba, pwedeng ito.
Lean into the sounds you love. Take your playlists anywhere with offline downloads. Play your song of the moment again and again with unlimited
Must try, guys.
Get all the music without hearing audio ads on Spotify Premium.
Para dun sa mga sawa na sa Filipino food or gusto makatry ng ibang kasi ng food. Try nyo to, guys. Bye!